Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and look what came in the mail today. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and open this up and we will see what all we're gonna get. All right, so we knew that this was going to have the box of sunshine because we've just been putting it out all over the place. So I cannot wait. I'm assuming lots of yellow. And of course, there we go. Now our ink spot is basic black. And then let's see. Oh, that does not have a white background. I got this here. We've got sunshine, you are loved, hello, smile, sending, a little something to brighten your day. We've got just some little texture there, and then it looks like that's a sun there. So super cute stamps. I love that you get free stamps every single month. And let's see, this is Sarah. She's the CEO, and it looks like we are having a hashtag called Share Sunshine. And let's see, once you made all your cards, you use any leftover pieces to decorate this box, and then you can send it to someone to brighten up their life. All right, and we've got some nice orangey yellow paper here. And I am going to be doing a Stampin' My Paper Pumpkin bingo coming up. So you'll want to look for my the details on my future video and in my newsletters as well. If you're not on my newsletter yet, go to beautyandthestamper.com and you could sign up there. So let's go ahead and open this, see what everything is. We've got black. I wasn't thinking that there'd be black in here. I thought it would all be bright yellow. I was just assuming everything would be yellow. But looks like there's a little bit of orange as well. Here, let me just figure out what's going on here. Okay, here we go. I can already see some of the little embellishments, and I'm super excited for that. We've got these little yellow, they're kind of holographic. I don't know if you could see or not. Their base is yellow, but they are holographic little embellishments. We've got, of course, our little dimensionals. What is this? These are envelopes. They are white envelopes with gold. So how many cards are we making? Let's see. We always get the instruction kit, and that's when you can see what we're making. And oh my goodness, beautiful. So it contains enough supplies for 8 cards and envelopes. And then there should be extras left over, right? That's what the thing said. So we've got our 8 envelopes. They're all the same. Ooh la la, look at this. We've got pumpkins, lemons, and a little sunshine there. And they're all the same. So yes, there will definitely be leftover pieces. We've got, is this 1 or 2? It looks, oh, they're stickers. We've got little stickers. Oh my goodness, I already want to just start opening and playing this. It's so cool. These are little stickers. We've got a large box here, which you can't see, but then we have a bunch of little ones that are like maybe a ½ inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of those, 2 of these, and the same here, double. We've got our card bases. Oh, we've got our little glue dots. We've got our card bases. We've got some gold here. We've got 2 pieces. We got, look at that card base. Tie-dye is really popular, right? We've got those. We got 2 of those. We got some sunshine right there. And then we have some more. I guess it's more marbled than tie-dye, but still very pretty. And then here we've got this gold foil. That's probably for maybe a label if we wanted to label the box, since we're going to decorate it. And then we've got some little lemons, little leaves, a little pineapple there, and then a little sun. And then we have some banners. So this looks like our tailored tag punch. Very similar. And then some banners here. So we have 6 banners and 5 of the tailored tags. See if you could see that. And then they have gold. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm super excited for this. So as always, I'm going to do a live. It will be on the 21st. And I will have information on my blog, jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net is where you'll want to go to find my events and all the details of upcoming events. And again, remember, if you want to participate in the future bingo, you're going to want to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, because this is going to be exclusive for Paper Pumpkin subscribers of mine. So even if you just want it for the month, just grab the month and we will go ahead and get on that. I'm super excited. So the Paper Pumpkin that I'm going to do for bingo is in August, so you'll need to wait until after July 11th to order if you only want the 1 month. But you guys, Summer Nights is next month and it looks beautiful. I was excited for this one, but Summer Nights looks even better. So, all right, you guys, June 21st, I will see you here live so we can put this together, and I'll have some alternatives for you as well. Alrighty, if you wanted to purchase anything, make sure you go to, again, jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. This is the host code for the month. And then if you wanted to do the July class, we've got the Beautiful World Bundle that you can purchase. You can get the whole entire suite if you'd like. And there's more information on my blog now at beautyandthestamper.com. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.